Hi everyone, I'm Nisa, and today we have Rivasha Pillai from Stakeholder Management of Nedbank Insurance with us. Welcome, Rivasha.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited to be here and to answer some of the burning questions that we've received from clients on MoneyApp.
So let's jump right in. Tell us, what is the most affordable cover option from Nedbank Insurance, and does it cater for the unemployed?
Good question. So Nedbank Insurance's funeral cover starts from as little as 30 Rand per month for 10,000 Rands worth of cover. And yes, it's available to unemployed individuals too. But what's more is that there's no medicals. Accidental cover is from day one, cashback after 11 months, and repatriation and trauma is included.
Wow, that sounds great. But will my Nedbank insurance be cancelled if I reverse the debit order?
Another good question. Yes. If you reverse your debit order, your cover may lapse. But Nedbank Insurance offers flexible payment options, a grace period, partial payment cover. So once contact is made and the partial payment option is selected, an SMS will be sent out to the customer confirming what one has elected for.
Okay, so are you still covered by your life insurance in weird question, a World War III kind of scenario? Would you still be covered?
Like other or most insurers in the industry, Nedbank Insurance excludes cover caused by war, rebellion, terrorism, or nuclear events. Always check your terms and conditions, and the exclusions is what I would guide on.
Okay, so what if I change banks and then my life insurance policy lapses? What do I do then? What happens?
Not to worry. You can always reinstate your policy or take out a new one via the MoneyApp, online banking, or by calling 0800 333 111. Nedbank Insurance offers flexible payment dates that match the salary cycle.
Can you tell us a bit about the different types of covers that Nedbank Insurance offers?
Absolutely. Nedbank offers a wide range of cover options tailored to meet both personal and business needs. Let me perhaps give you a breakdown of some of the main types of insurance that we provide. We'll start off with My Cover Life, up to 3 million Rands worth of life cover. My Cover Funeral, up to 100,000 Rand worth of cover with up to 29 dependents. Short-term insurance that we provide covers for vehicles, buildings, contents, valuables, and even legal cover. And then we've got credit life and personal accident cover as well.
That sounds like a lot of cover. Tell me, what is the difference though between a funeral cover and a life cover?
Another good question. Funeral cover provides quick payout for costs associated with the funeral, the burial, etc. The other immediate expenses that may arise with regards to the loss. But life cover it provides longer payout in support of the family's long-term financial needs. This includes settling of debt obligations of the deceased. Many clients often choose both to have financial peace of mind.
And what if somebody is still starting out, you're studying and you're still building up? Is it necessary to get any of these insurance covers? What is your advice for them?
Yes, starting early often means lower premiums because a young person is typically in good health and is seen as a lower risk. You will have immediate protection for unexpected events, and this also helps you to build good financial habits. Start with the basics. Funeral cover. Affordable, ensures your family isn't burdened with costs if something happens. Credit life insurance, if you're a student, you have a credit card, this helps with the protection of your repayments. Basic life cover will support you financially or even partially, and it helps to secure your future.
So if you don't have any dependents, is it still worth it to get this type of insurance?
Taking out life cover early means lower premiums. Obtaining life cover before partial or permanent deterioration of health is the foundation to good financial stability. Also, it ensures that your life is protected as your life changes and as you move through different life stages.
Okay, so speaking of life stages, how do I know that my children will be protected and taken care of if something happens to me?
Start with life insurance. It provides a lump sum cover to pay out in support of your children's needs like education or living expenses, and just stability once you're gone. You can nominate up to 10 beneficiaries, and if you add funeral cover, it eases the burden and the costs associated with that unforeseen event immediately.
Definitely. Thank you for that. But now, we all are so busy. What if I don't have time to actually call and speak to a consultant? Is there another way? Can I still get insurance without going through that whole procedure?
Absolutely. You can get a quote in minutes via the Money app or online banking, and you don't need to speak to anyone.
Wow, that's so great. Thank you so much for joining us, Rivasha. Really appreciate it. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Don't forget to follow us for more helpful tips and solutions to your questions. See you next time. Bye.